specify a pig family. So we have the male and the female pigs. So we start with the male pig. How can you make money with the male pig? First, through mating services. If you have an adult male pig, you can, the farmers who have female pigs and don't have a male pig, they usually bring their female pigs for mating. That is a business.
What is mating?
For mating. This involves the process of reproduction where the male and the female, where the male mounts of the female. The process of reproduction takes place. So the next bee, the male pigs, they are normally very big compared to the female, and they weigh more weight. So when you what do I say? When you're having a male pig, it's more productive when it comes to pork compared to the female pig. So through this meat, you can be a supplier. You can start a slaughtering house. You can also be a chef. You decide that you're going to be specializing on sausages. You can decide to start a hotel that specializes on the pork production only. So the next thing is manure. Nowadays, most of the people don't like foods which are produced using fertilizers, the chemical fertilizers. So it's a very good opportunity. You can be selling the manure to the people who want to do farming with the natural manure. The other thing, when you are a good farmer, you will know the types of feeds that the pig require. You will have the experience. So you can decide to go to a big wholesaler. You decide that I'm going to be selling this feeds. I go and get, then I become a supplier from the wholesaler because you know which kind of feeds are better for the pigs. So that's also a business opportunity. Pig export. In pigs export, as an experienced farmer, you can offer training to the people who are trying to start their pig farming. Exhibitions. People like, let me give an example. A person who is selling meat products like sausages, he can come to your showcasing event to sell out his products and to advertise. So you as the planner, you will benefit from the export. So when the next thing is the female pigs. When it comes to production, a female pig will give birth to around, let's say, 10 piglets. It will take you only 3 months. 3 months, I have the experience of doing this. 3 months, within 3 months, one piglet costs 4,000 shillings. So we multiply 4,000 times 10. That is around 40k in a month. From selling that, you will be able to get money to buy your feeds and improve on maybe the housings, what is it called? Sinaelewa tena sema, yani kwenye zinakaa. You can improve on that, maybe the drainage and everything. And also something else about the manure, you can decide to start a biogas. You will save the gases, maybe you can also produce, it is a large scale, you can be able to produce electricity from there. Pork, for female the female pigs will be able to benefit from slaughtering and selling the food. The same case on the manure. So that's our presentation. Thank you.